Hello, beautiful. Welcome to my channel. And today's channel, we'll be working the arms and build a bit more endurance into our arms because all day we have our arms down towards the gravity. And so when we start doing arms, sometimes it's a bit hard because we're not used to it, right? We don't walk with the arms like this. So we're going to do some beautiful flowy movement. And yeah, it's going to be beautiful and you're going to enjoy it. I know you will. It's not going to be as hard as you think because I made it gentle. But it's so gentle that it actually helps you to soothe and calm your energy. So please enjoy and participate. You could watch, but if you participate, you'll have a much more better effect to change your mood or uplift it. Deep breath in up. We're going to start and breathe out. So one more time, I want you to breathe in, expand your chest. Hold the expansion of your chest, but not the breath. Good, let's start. Shoulder roll right, and then left. Right, and left. Okay, now I want you to lead from the wrist. I want you to bring your right wrist forward and then palms down. Left, wrist forward, then palms down. Wrist, palm, wrist, palm, wrist, palm. Now we're going to add just a easy step. So as you bring your wrist forward, just do a touch and then step down. Touch, step down. So we're going to keep the touch step all through as we do our arm movement. Now keep the arms, but now bring it forward and open. Forward and open. Keep your touch, step, touch, step. That's it. Forward and open, and forward and open. Forward, bring it to the side. Wrist forward, but then lead the wrist to the side. Wrist goes up and then to the side. Wrist forward and out. So the foot kind of follows the wrist. Forward, then it steps down when you go side. Forward, side. Now we're going to open up. Open all the way up and then down. Really go up like an arm circle, going down to the side. All the way up and down to the side. So the wrist goes up and then wrist goes down. Up, down. So we're being led by the wrist. Wrist is leading the movement. Wrist up, wrist down, wrist up. This is so good to open up your heart chakra. Again, arms are an extension of your beautiful heart. The more we open up, the lungs, our air, it helps us to express. But the arms is doing all the expression for you. All right, so now we're going to go forward, down, forward, down, forward, down. The wrist goes forward. Keep going. Forward, down, and then forward, open, and forward, open, forward, open, forward, open. Now all the way up. Good. And now we're going to draw a figure eight. So I want you to bring your wrist together, fingertips together too. And then you kind of do your first loop up, wrist goes down and then in, palms are here and then go down. And wrist comes back together. Circle up, wrist comes together and then circle down. Wrist comes together, up, wrist comes together, down. So you're circling all the way up. So you're kind of doing a vertical figure eight and loop down. So there's kind of two loops up and then 2 loops going down. So there's 2 vertical figure 8. You can see that. All right, so let's go up, down, up. So right now we're not doing footwork, but we can. You can go up with your right foot and then down with your left foot. Up with your right and then down with your left. If it's too much, just do the arm. I'm going to put this all together. Ready? And now bring your right forward, down, and then all the way up and down, and then figure 8. And then just the right wrist forward, sorry, left, right. Do that again. Now open. And up and over. And now the figure 8. And now foot with just the right side. We're going to open and then up and over. Figure 8. Infinite loop and start over. Forward and down, forward and down, forward and open, and then all the way up. Let's finish our figure 8 and down and up and down. Simple arm movement. And this, you could do this with the veils if you want to. You grab your veil and try it out. So again, this is just a small, 5-6 minute arm movement with a very sensual, very flowy, and it kind of just calms you down if you had a hard day or something stressing you out. I find that arms are kind of a way to kind of just calm down and let it go by just expressing through the arms. Send it to the universe. Okay, you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love here.